In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a rushing text effect in Photoshop. First, press Ctrl-N to create a new document. Set the background color to black. Press T and type your text. I am using Babes New. Download link in the description down below. Press Ctrl-T and adjust the text size and position. Select the Move tool, press Ctrl-A and center your text. Press Ctrl-D to deselect. Right-click on the text layer and choose Convert to Smart Object. Press Ctrl-J to duplicate the layer. Hide the top layer for now. Select this layer, go to Filter, Blur Gallery, and choose Path Blur. Create a path like the one you see on the screen. Select the first point and follow these settings. Uncheck Centered Blur. Select the second point and follow these settings. Unhide the top layer. Go to Filter, Blur, and choose Gaussian Blur. Set the blur to about 4 pixels. Add a gradient map adjustment layer. Pick a gradient. Press Ctrl plus Alt plus Shift plus E to merge all the visible layers. Right-click and choose Convert to Smart Object. Go to Filter, Noise, and choose Add Noise. Set the noise to 4%. That's it, I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Also, check out other videos on my channel. Thanks for the support, guys.